Hi everyone. Sometime when we try to install Microsoft products, we get this type of error. We can't install. To install this product, first uninstall the following products. Maybe here, as you see, Microsoft Office 2019, maybe 2021, maybe 2016, and or 365. Any Microsoft Office products, you just have to uninstall them. You can fix this error by go to control panel, programs, program and features. From here, you can find the products mentioned by the error, just uninstall them. For example, I want to uninstall Microsoft Office LTS, just select it and right click uninstall. For example, 99% it will work after uninstalling the products mentioned. After that, if it doesn't work for you, just go to YouTube and search for how to remove Microsoft Office completely and search ENG-School. In second step, if it doesn't work, watch this tutorial and do it. Then try again. I put the link of this tutorial in the description of the video. But first, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice day.